start the session?
Definitely, please.
Yeah. Am I audible properly?
Yes, you are completely audible.
Yeah. So a very good afternoon to Mr. Mayank Singh, Deputy Branch Manager, Delhi Head Office Higher Education, and our expert and eminent resource person for today's talk. We are honored to have you here, my faculty colleagues, and all the students of Prestige Institute of Management, Gwalior. First, I would like to thank you all for joining us today. I, Shikha Sharma, on behalf of Prestige Fraternity, would like to welcome you all in today's session. PIMG is really pleased to share that we have touched new heights in terms of educational and professional performances. I would like to give you a glimpse of some of our accomplishments and key highlights of PIMG, as well as placement summary of previous year. So I would request Ashwini sir to kindly share the introduction video of PIMG with this August gathering. Hmm. The sound is not there, I guess. It's not playing. Hmm. Student, please go on mute. Okay, thank you, sir. As we all know that Prestige Institute of Management is organizing a series of expert talk from the eminent personalities who have expertise in their respective industry and sector. And the purpose of this session is not only to get the student ready for the final placements, but also to ease any apprehensions that student may have had regarding the current situation. So in line with the same, we feel immense pleasure and pride to have Mr. Mayank with us today. Now, I would request Mr. Mayank to kindly share your insight with the students, and then we'll follow it with question and answer round. So over to you, Mr. Mayank, all yours. Mr. Mayank, am I audible to you?
Yes, you're completely audible. Thank you so much, Shikha, for your time. Thank you so much. Okay, uh, I hope I'm audible to everyone, all the
Yes,
people over here.
clearly.
Okay, fair enough. Hi, everyone. Well introduced by Shikha. Thank you so much for this warm welcome. Yes, my name is Mayank Singh. I'm serving as a Deputy Branch Manager for the Higher Education from past 2.5 years. Immensely, I really appreciate the prestige that yes, we fortunately we got the chance that we can be represent the edtech industry from as being a higher education. Certainly, there are n number of companies which are doing fabulous in edtech industries, but the reason that Prestige has chosen us is very small. It's very simple that the relation that we have formed with Prestige from last couple of years that was very good. I believe let me explain you. We have a manager over here who's from Prestige back from 14 only. Then we have a couple of people who have been passed out of MBA from I believe a batch of 18, 19 people. So till now from Prestige we had done around 3 or 4 campuses in 2 campus indirectly and 2 other directly campus with Prestige. Fortunately, as of now, we're having somewhere around 10 to 12 people who are working from we work at higher education in different locations for the higher education, right? So I believe that's the reason we are being a part of having good relation with Prestige and being serving over here. Okay, so understanding about higher education, I believe some of you have seen my LinkedIn profile, some of you seen about the profile, what we are doing, how we are working, what things have been working out. I believe your TNP coordinators has well explained you about the KRAs, what you're going to do into, why sales and marketing can be a fruitful profile for you, why edtech industry is going to be a right profile for you for your upcoming futures. There might be n number of questions because if I have n people over here, definitely we have a number of questions and we will be dealing with that. Fortunately, I'm going to try to answer each and every right now. So understanding about higher education, let me give a brief introduction about higher education. So the journey was basically started 5 6 years back. In 2014, our founder has opened this office in a location Noida only. Okay, after a lot of struggle for I believe for 1 year. Then in 15, we have opened an office in DLF, that is in Gurgaon, and the same year we opened an office in Hyderabad, Gachibowli. Then in 16, we have opened an office in Delhi, Connaught Place, which later has been called as a higher education headquarter, which you can say a head office. Post that, in 17, we have opened an office in 18 we have opened an office in Jaipur. That was in C scheme. Okay. Then in 19, we have opened an office in Mumbai. Okay. And 20, everyone knows everyone is doing work from home, even working right now. So nothing is possible right now. But yes, as of now, in total locations, we have 5 locations pan India. Certainly, what agenda we are having as of now for the upcoming next 2 years, we're trying to open an office in Chandigarh, in Bangalore, and in Navi Mumbai, because obviously the maximum location we open, the maximum target we're gonna occupy our market audiences. Now, if we have noticed, let me just tell you, being in this 5 location, all these 5 location are being the premium locations. First, Delhi Connaught Place, which is the prime location for the maximum audience, for the maximum you can say revenue part. DLF Gurgaon, Udyog Vihar, maximum revenue place part. C scheme, again a revenue location for Jaipur. Hyderabad, Gachibowli, again a prime location for the maximum revenue. Fifth, that is your Mumbai Andheri East. The people who don't know about all this location, you come to know these are all the prime location. Just like if somebody says that people who are from Gwalior, okay, and what is the prime location for Gwalior? People generally say either it be a Jendraganj or it be a city center. How I know about Gwalior that much? क्योंकि मैं ग्वालियर से ही हूँ. Nevertheless, I have never studied from Prestige. I have went for my higher studies from Bhopal, but born and brought up in Gwalior only. I some people who जो Gwalior से है, they can relate to me that why I am from Gwalior. So yes, I stay near to Prestige only because I stay Deendayal Nagar, so very familiar. And yes, so being in high, I have just one agenda that wherever we're going to open an office right now, that all locations should be prime so that we can give the highest revenue. Okay, proceeding about higher education, being in 5 years, we're leading the chart right now because there are n number of firms which are dealing into K-12, which are dealing into professional programs, which are dealing into MBA, PhD, or any kind of higher studies in distance learning courses, or any kind of simultaneously. There have been two kind of industries. One is called K-12 and one is called professional programs. Certainly, different companies are being there who are charting, they're charting the top as of now. But what I have believed right now from last couple of years, As of now, we're being the competition to every company. As of now, I would not gonna name any company right now, but as per my past experience, but before Hike Education, I was a former employee of Jaro Education. So beating every organization, we are leading the chart, and there are multiple reasons which I'm gonna disclose later on if we have questions as of now. Okay. Talking about the profile, you will be dealing into a BDM and BD, that is called Business Development Executive and Business Development Manager, where your KRA will be simple, interacting with the people, understanding their needs. Are they looking for what kind of course they're looking? Are they looking for a diploma? They're looking for a degree? They're looking for a certificate? Understanding a person requirement, you're gonna pitch the same product to a person and you have to close the deal. Okay. I would really request at the end after this presentation that Shikha, I believe Jyoti has shared you some kind of PPT with you. I really want if you can play at the end of the session so that people can understand and get to know their seniors, their post seniors who are currently working with Hike Education at the current moment of time. Okay. Uh, yes, that's something about Hike Education. Uh, I already told you it's being a startup, it's been 6 years old company which are doing good, and what our projections plan right now. The current strength of Hike Education across Pan India, it's somewhere around 150. In Delhi location only, we are having we having two office, so we're having a team of 50 right now, which is serving very good, and I can see them. They are happily enjoying and doing work very happily right now. Most importantly, I pretty much aware being in this pandemic, being this in lockdown, everyone at the home might be enjoying with the family and spending good times, or might somewhere want to get out, right? काम करना, office जाना है या college जाना है, whatever things have been happening with you. Let me tell you, from last 4.5 months, I have taken around 600 plus interviews. No matter what was his freshers, what his experience, or any kind of people which I've taken interview right now. What I have learned, what I have gathered information right now, that as of now, there are few industries where you can see yourself growing non-stop. Why? Because this industry will never gonna stop, no matter the pandemic comes, no matter the recession will come. This industry will never. That is called edtech industry, one of them right now. Why? Because no matter a person is being currently well working, is being graduate, or required any kind of studies simultaneously along with the job. This is the right time a person can enroll and go for the studies. Most importantly. Uh, yes, because be it any kind of industry, this my agenda is not to I can say degrade any kind of industry, but yeah, every industry has its cons, every industry has cons. Certainly, as of now, for edtech industry, no cons has came. No matter if person is graduate, a person is postgraduate, everybody needs a graduation, everybody needs a post graduation for the higher studies, for doing any kind of certificate from along with the job, or even fresher aspect. So edtech industry is, as of now, which gonna non-stop boom, non-stop gonna grow yourself, and this industry can be fruitful for you as of now for uplifting a career. Apart of that, why Hike Education gonna be a right platform for you? Because I'm gonna talk about a very few things as of now. Most importantly, which I believe, I hope you everyone can see my age, right? I'm just 24 right now. Okay. Apart of that, the team which we are holding right now, all team members, even the CEO as well. The CEO age is just 27. The rest, all people which are currently working over here, all having an age of band of 19 to 28 only. Just 19 to 28. Now, why this point is very keen for me and why this point is being very important for me, because why I believe what I believe, working in any organization, we have a generation gap, we have a age gap, where might be I'm not able to explain a person what is my requirement, or the person who's been senior to me is not be able to explain what is his or her requirement as per organization perspective, as per the target perspective, as per your mental growth and your monetary growth perspective, in terms of salary wise, in terms of position wise, what is your growth, what is your expectation, is something which I'm not able to understand. But if I'm going to cut down the generation gap, and if would be having the same mental state right now, what you might be sharing, what you might be understanding, what I would be understanding, the mental growth, the mental state will be same. So this generation gap is something which we Hike Education cut down. Over here, all people having same kind of age over here. Team is being well bonded over here. So this can be a plus point for you, that why you can be over here. First, This is the edtech industry. Second, very fast growing industry at the current moment of time. 6 years back, nobody knows. Not even a second office near me knows what I'm doing right now. 3 years back, people were came to know that yes, higher education is some kind of firm which have came in market, and yes, they're dealing into some kind of management programs. Understood. 2 years back, we were completely known in market. Every campus was been knowing us because we fortunately having lots of campus across Pan India. Till now, we have completed more than 300 plus campus across Pan India. Companies are knowing us. The organizations are knowing us what higher education is doing right now. And for the last 1 year, everybody knows that what threat we can be for them. Because as I clearly mentioned, leading a chart something is very challengeable, and how you do it all depends as per your skills, as per your firm, and what kind of employee are you having. I never say a person who's been more than 30 or 40 years, it can't be an asset for a company. Definitely it can be. But as the CEO's mentality, which we have and what we have observed right now, I believe a person who's having the same mindset, a same age group, can give additional to a company at the right moment of time, because the energy what we require and what everybody is required at the initial stage. I don't think anybody is being uh, so tired. I would think I don't want money right now. I just want to learn. Definitely want to learn, but along with money, because money is something to be common at the time. And what table we are giving, what growth we are giving, there is no kind of slab over here. There's no kind of restriction over here that a person who having 2 year experience can look for a manager positions. No, if you're doing very good in 6 months only, you might get promoted as assistant team leader, or you might get grow the team leader as well. All depends to your personality, all depend to your skills, all depend to your communication, and most importantly, which is more important for me, that is conviction, believing in yourself. The person who believes in himself, a person that yes, I could be a right person for this firm because all my requirement is to earn money, I am giving. Okay, my requirements to learn things, I am giving. My requirements to have share the same mental state to some work with some kind of dumpster people, I am giving. Fourth, I really want growth in a short term time, not by shortcut, but by giving my hard work and by giving my important time to a company. I'm giving the same. So this could be the valuable point. This could be the valuable things where you can seek and where you can apply for higher education and look for the immense growth over here. The part which I was asked to Shikha to cover, that yes, I can give you names. Uh, I hope Mr. Abhay, the TNPC and Anushka can remember them. I'm not sure, but I'll let me just tell you. There was a guy of batch of, I believe, 16 or 14 of Baljinder Singh Randhawa. He was placed in Charo and currently is working with Higher Education as a manager. Second, Vishal Agrawal, the TNP is a TNP coordinator. He is working with Higher Education right now. Then I have more people like Annie Patel, Ashima Chan, the current pursuing batch of MBA right now, who's going to be passed out by this current session. And then from Indore, I have people from Ayushi Chan, currently pursuing Shaila Mustafa. Then Gayatri Vavade, I believe. Then I believe Anuvati Chan. So there are multiple people who are from Prestige. I'm really glad because Prestige have never disappointed me. Prestige have never uh, make us feel as a non-family. They have all made us as family members, and they have given an immense pleasure to work with such kind of youngsters, such kind of bright future, which can give a bright future to higher education as well. So I'm really thankful to everyone who has attended this session, and I'm really looking forward for your parts. Rest, whatever FAQs you have, please go ahead. Thank you so much. Shikha?
Okay, so now the session opens for the question answer round. Can we do it, Mr. Mayank? Just a minute.
Yes, Shikha, please continue. Shikha, am I audible to you?
Yeah, hello.
Yes,
Yeah,
Shikha,
Mayank, actually Ms. Jyoti has shared a video with Ashwini sir. So he's just
please,
playing that video.
please. That's I really want to show everyone that your seniors and you're all
Hmm.
bright future working with education. So I really want you to share that video with everyone. So
Yeah,
they
this is
will see that.
a nice idea. Yeah.
I really wish some
Meanwhile,
of
please.
I really wish some of them can remember the seniors or remember their batchmates that they are currently with us. So I request everyone to be keen over here and go through the video right now, and you can see your seniors over here. Please continue.
Perfect. Done, sir? Thank you, sir. Now I'll request the students to kindly ask the question. You can write your question in the chat box. We'll include them in the session, or you can raise your hand and we'll unmute you. Then you can directly ask your question.
Shika, have you played the entire video?
Have we played the entire one, Ashwini sir, or is it left? Entire video has been played, Mr. Mayank. You want us to play it again? If we miss some part of it, we can play it again, no issues.
If you can please just
Yeah,
the
sure, we'll
last
do it.
people of all the people of alumni of first made.
Okay, okay. Ashwini sir, kindly please play it again.
The half is completely fine. The half one.
No issues, we'll do it. Is it fine, Mr. Mayank, now? Network issue.
Okay, thank you so much, Shikha. So I am already getting some multiple questions right now. I'm trying to answer all the questions right now. So I'll start the latest question by Akriti Sharma. Okay. So I would like to ask, I completed my MBA in finance. I'm really mostly getting job into HR field. Should I choose them or not? See, first of all, Akriti, it completely depends to your skills and personality where you want to grow yourself. Okay. Nevertheless, you have a interest in you have done MBA in finance, right? But if you really want to grow yourself HR, you can apply for the HR definitely. But I hope it completely depends where you want to grow yourself, because you have chosen different stream, you want to apply in different stream right now. So first of all, convince yourself where you want to grow yourself, because unless and until you're not able to convince yourself, the future would be completely into a question mark right now. Drishti Arora, my question is, what skills would you like to see in a sales or a marketing person? Okay, very simple question, very clever question, Drishti. For me, what I see in a salesperson, just four things. I see first, as I mentioned, I see a person who's being very conviction, who believe himself or herself. Second, I really see a person who's going to be very mature, mature to understand why you are here and what you want to do. Third, loyalty towards yourself, towards the firm. And the fourth, that is being called a smart attitude. Because if a person is growing himself or herself in a marketing or a sales industry, what a manager, what an industry demands is just a person demands that you should be loyal towards yourself, towards the firm. You should be mature, you should be conviction. So I don't need to treat you as a baby every time that yes, you have to grow, you have to do, because a person should believe himself or herself. And the fourth, a smart attitude, because without an attitude, nothing is being there, believe me. Okay, proceeding to next question. Okay, I have a question by Tanya Bansal. What is the progression path for a BD in higher education? Okay, so the projection path in for higher education for BD is that after BD, you're gonna develop to a BDM. Okay, that is called Business Development Manager. Then you're gonna develop to a ATL, that is called Assistant Team Leader. Then you're gonna grow to as a team leader, that is called TL. Okay, post that you're gonna grow as a deputy branch manager, that is being DBM, which I'm currently serving right now. Post that you're gonna grow as a manager, as a full-fledged manager. Post that you're gonna work as a territory manager, then as a regional manager, and then the ladder is very high, which we generally which call as a CEO of the organization. Right? So journey is very long, but as I mentioned during my session, that there is no kind of barrier, there is no kind of restrictions from a higher education. People or different firms says that the eligibility criteria says that we have to at least 1 year of tenure, then we can give you a TTL. No, I have a people over here who full-fledged has worked for 6 months, done very good, and directly from BD as a ATL position. So I have to hire with your prestige as well. There is business in Nandhava. He's sitting outside the cabin right now. He has no idea the session with prestige right now. Else वो भाग के आते बोलते हैं मुझे मिलना है मैं पहले session लेता. Whatever. So and all depends to your skills and personality. If you're doing good, definitely we can look for yourself for the higher post. Okay, post that I have a question, Vandana Shri. Sir, if person doesn't have a convince skills, how he or she can develop skills? Please advise. Okay, Vandana, first of all, try to convince yourself. Nobody gonna teach you, nobody gonna learn you how you have to convince anybody. Unless and until if you're not able to convince yourself that this is a right thing, this is a right place, or this is the right person for me, or this for any kind of things. Once you are able to convince for yourself, you may convince anyone. Because a person from BTech background, that is me right now, and I have convinced myself that yes, marketing and sales for me for growing myself. I convinced myself, and when I have convinced, nobody can stop me. It's been 3 working right now, and I'm non-stop working. I'm not even a postgraduate. I'm just a graduate, just a BTech graduate. Well, convince yourself. When you're able to do that, definitely no one can stop you. So there is no kind of skills. There's no kind of to make you learn कैसे convincing होता है. सिर्फ खुद को convince करने वाला सीखो. That is all required at the time of my now. Okay. Post that I have a question, a long question by Gargi Bhardwaj. Just give me one, please. Okay. So a question that is called, my question is as NMR itself, and people already know it. The course is they can enroll directly from the official website. How education will gonna come into play for a customers? Okay, Gargi, I really question. It was very impressive. Okay, believe me, I'm gonna note these names for my betterment to get to know क्या questions पूछे जा रहे हैं. Okay, so Gargi, the answer is very simple. When right, you can't do your promotion by yourself. आप मियाँ मट्टू नहीं बन सकते हो. ब्रांड बन चुके हो, मियाँ मिट्टू कर रहे हो, तो प्रॉब्लम ये होगा कि आपको बोलेगा कि आप ईगो में आ गए हो, आप खुद की तारीफ कर रहे हो. Nevertheless, people can directly enroll in Arsimonji and they are enrolling completely fine. But every brand need a support, need a chain where we can help them for growing themselves. I'll give example. If you're having an AC in your house, you might be having or you might be planning for an upcoming year, so you might be having a fridge. Let's suppose you might be having a fridge, so you might be having a fridge of LG, right? Believe me and trust me, या तो आपने LG के शोरूम से खरीदा होगा या आपने कोई थर्ड पार्टी वेंडर. ग्वालियर में दो ही चलते हैं, मल्लू सेल्स, मनीष सेल्स, या कोई भी यहाँ चलता है, आप उनसे खरीदते होंगे. आई एम प्रीटी मच डैम श्योर, क्योंकि third party vendors is always required for promoting yourself and getting yourself. As of now, there's a dealer in Gwalior that is called Manish Sales. He is a entire Chambal region, the biggest distributor, and he's having all kind of electronic things. So whenever you are dealing with some kind of product, make sure that product should be a brand, so you can also be a brand. That's why Hike Education is being a brand, and we have chosen a brand. So people are enrolling directly for RC Monji, they can enroll, but generally nobody know the process. That's why we as a customer became, I can say, come to touch with us, and we help them for enrolling for the same. So simple, we are helping them for right path. Nevertheless, we are not charging any extra fees. Don't think that the same fees what you can go a website, it's same we're charging right now. Okay, I have a next question. I have a couple of questions more. Okay, Shivani Raval. First of all, I got a first question by a boy, so I'm really happy. सब लड़के ही पूछ रही थी. Okay, Shivani Rawal is say that, good afternoon, sir. I would really like to ask that what qualities make different hike ADU by others. Okay, I told you, Shivani. I told you, I just see four things in a person: maturity, loyalty, smart attitude, and a conviction. If you have these four things, you're a right person for me. That's all. And this is how you make your difference. Simple. कितने जल्दी मेच्योर इंसान होता है, that's the reason we have a age band of 1928 only. हम उससे कम उससे ज्यादा लोगों को हायर नहीं करते हैं. अब ऐसा नहीं कि मेरी एज 28 में कंपनी निकाल दिएगा, नहीं. इनिशियल स्टेज वी हैव द सेम एज. द रीजन इज वेरी सिंपल. हम चाह रहे हैं कि अगर मैं एक माइंडसेट से काम कर रहा हूँ, वही माइंडसेट से मेरा जूनियर समझे, मेरा सीनियर समझे, और हम लोग वही माइंडसेट एक पाथ में लेके चल सके और हम उसको ग्रो कर सकें. So these four things gonna help us to make a non-high EDU to a high EDU. Simple. Okay, I have a question by Arjun. Arjun Rathore. Okay. In sales profile, there would be a target-oriented job. We always have a fear to fire from organization. So how we can handle as a fresher? Okay. Arjun, that's the reality that yes, any industry, just tell me, any industry is something which is where you have to do sales. No matter it's finance, no matter it's HR, no matter it's simple marketing, no matter it's operation. आप लॉजिस्टिक डिपार्टमेंट हो, आपको हर दिन कितना माल निकलना है, उसका उसका टारगेट होता है. आप कितनी हायरिंग कर रहे हो, यू हैव अ टारगेट. आप कितना फाइनेंस, कितना सेल्स पे आपने आज इंश्योरेंस पे टारगेट किया, इज इम्पोर्टेंट. एंड सेल्स, चाहे वो कोई भी सेल्स मार्केटिंग को ना, एक चाहे वॉशिंग मशीन वाला हो, एजुकेशन वाला हो, या जो जो रैंडम डोर टू डोर सेल्स करते हैं, एवरी हैज टारगेट. एंड यस, बट अगर इसको आप नेगेटिव में लेके चलोगे तो यू विल नॉट हैव अ सक्सेस राइट नाउ. बिकॉज बिलीव मी वन थिंग, when you have a will, when you have a when you following the process, छोटी सी बात, process, when you following process, believe me, no one can stop you. But जिस दिन process से निकल गए, I'll give you small whenever you climb a ladder to a terrace, right? Everyone climb the ladder. कुछ लोग चढ़ते हैं, कुछ लोग क्यों? Okay, there is a gap of in every ladder. यूं ही ladder नहीं आता. There's a gap in every ladder. You have to climb in one step, then second step. If you're missing any random step and you're climbing the third step, means you're not following the process. जहाँ भी process follow नहीं होगा, you're gonna it will gonna give you you can say inconvenience create हो गया आपके लिए. Simple सी बात ये है. Whenever you're following the process, nobody gonna fire you for regarding anything. So don't worry about that. When you're understanding your agenda, you're understanding what you want to do, what your managers want, and if you're following the process, okay for you. Okay, I have a question for Gunjan Vyas. Good afternoon. So my question is that as people for sales and marketing, so is there any scope for HR students in your organization? Gunjan, then I would say please contact your TNP as of now. We don't have any kind of HR equipment, but can look for as of now we don't have. Shikha as well, and if you can come with HR as well, definitely you can look for as of now it's okay. I have a next question. How higher education different from the other edtech companies by Drishti Arora? Okay, Vandana, she has what kind of skills higher education want different students? Vandana, I've already told you, I believe. आपने question पूछा, I've already told you about the what skills are required. I believe you are not here. I'll again come to you. What strategy for sailing? Okay. Okay. I'll cover the first part again. This Vandana, sorry, what's her name? Okay, Vandana Shri. Vandana just told you. It's smart attitude, maturity, loyalty, and conviction that differs. Okay, I'll answer the question of Drishti Arora. What high education different from Drishti? I over here we required a communication. So if I can turn on your mic, Drishti, I'm audible to you. Drishti, you have to turn on your mic right now. Drishti Arora.
Unmute her.
It's fine. Drishti, I'm audible
I'm
to
not
you.
able to. Ashwini,
Hello?
sir, kindly unmute Drishti.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Drishti, perfect. So, Drishti, can you come with any kind of other edtech industries name from your part? आप मुझे कोई भी
Yes.
other edtech industry नाम बताओ, please बताओ.
Yes, sir. So, like Extra Marks, Vedantu.
Okay.
Any more?
और कोई याद आ रहा है? चलो कोई ना, दो ठीक है. कुछ नाम मैं बता देता हूँ आपकी नॉलेज के लिए. So, there are multiple edtech industries right now. One is Vedantu, Drishti said. Second is Extra Marks. Third, Byju's.
Yes,
Four
sir.
toppers. Fifth, you can say Jar Education. 5 काफी है या और भी है तो बहुत सारे. ठीक है, 5 काफी for a while right now. अच्छा, मुस्कान बत्रा is trying to help me right now. She is saying Byju's भी है सर. अच्छा ठीक है, I have already told Byju's. Okay, okay, Jaro, Top Scholar. Okay, fine, fair enough. ठीक है, fair enough. So there are multiple organizations. So I have clearly told my session right now. Okay, there have been two kind of edtech industries. One which deal into K-12 projects. Grade up. ठीक है, there's up. That's not grade up. That's upgrade. That is upgrade. Okay. Then one is called K-12 project. Now understand this thing. One is called K-12 projects and one is called professional programs. K-12 project means where a person is going to deal with a person who is from first class to 12th class. आपको उस बच्चे को कन्विंस करना है कि आपको कोचिंग नहीं जानी है, केमिस्ट्री फिजिक्स के कोचिंग्स नहीं लगाने हैं, आपको पिनेकल नहीं जाना है, आपको पढ़ाई करनी है तो इस टैब से पढ़ाई करनी है. बच्चा मानता है, then you have to convince to the parents कि आपके बच्चे के लिए coaching is not a right place. Ask your child कि please study with this tab. So that is called K-12 projects, where you're gonna deal with the children and their parents, convincing a child and then convincing the parents. So which means 2 hurdles. Okay, and convincing them not to go for coaching and study by tab. मतलब बच्चों को बोल दे कि भाई मोबाइल ही पढ़ना है बस. ठीक है. Second, which I am into. So not Byju's, Vedantu, Top Scholars, Extra marks, this all are into K-12, not into my competition, not at all. मेरे competition में है ही नहीं. मेरे competition में है जारो, टैलेंट एज, ठीक है, अपग्रेड, ये मेरे कंपटीशन में है. ओके, ये है सारे प्रोफेशनल प्रोग्राम्स जहाँ पे दे डीलिंग इनटू पीपल्स who are well matured, who are being graduate, who are being working. No matter person is being freshly graduate, 1 year experience, 5 year experience, 25 year experience, any kind of deal, जिसमें सिर्फ उसी कन्विंस का एडमिशन ले रहेगा. That's all. How and why I'm over here, why speech for me to be over here speaker, and why I'm presenting higher education right now is very first of all the we had we had to have people for years which
Sir, your voice is
and
breaking.
second, being a brand.
Mr. Mayank, I'm sorry to interrupt you. Your voice is cracking in between. You're not audible. Mr. Mayank? I think there is some network issue from your end. Mr. Mayank? Let me check with Jyoti. We are almost done with the session, huh? So we can wind it up.
I'm audible to you?
Yeah, perfectly.
Perfect. Okay. So I believe I have given plenty of questions right now, answer for every question maximum. Most probably we have a shortage of time right now, so we can't cover all questions right now. Certainly, but still I will try to answer all questions. So whatever questions you're gonna come with are different thing, you can connect me by LinkedIn. You have my LinkedIn with everyone. So you connect with that. And thank you so much, Drishti. Thank you so much. So for any kind of inconvenience, any kind of questions I was not able to answer right now, you can mail me, you can LinkedIn me, I can answer back to you. I hope that whatever inputs what I have given right now and whatever part I have explained to each and everyone over here, that was being helpful for everybody, and this would could bring a good results for each and everyone. I'm looking forward for you. Okay, let's see how much I really want to Shika, for you. I really want to beat the last record, the last we have hired right now. I really
We
want to
truly
increase
want the same.
we, because at the end the mutual thing is being very much required, and
True.
the because the time first we have came, we have this, I believe, 4 people, then we increase
Yes.
the count, it's being around 7 8 people right now. I would really want the Prestige, Gwalior and Indore as well, because both were lovable to us, and I really want to increase the count of both the team right now.
We
Most
would
importantly,
really love to host your team here in campus virtually or physically, whatever you feel like. We're open with every date and every kind of arrangement that you want from our side. So we are
most
truly waiting for you.
most welcome. By the way, Gwalior is my hometown, तो मैं तो यूं आ जाऊं हमेशा.
Oh, it's your hometown, great.
Yes, yes, yes. Gwalior is my
So
hometown.
in that case, you can also come down here or have a
I
campus
can,
drive.
I can, but depends to the ability as well. But yes,
True.
it was a pleasure having a virtual campus, and definitely I'm looking forward for the things. And
Hmm.
thank you for hosting us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mayank, for accepting our invitation. We are
Pleasure.
truly grateful for the time and effort that you took to share your thoughts and experience with the student. Student will definitely be benefited, and this will help the student to face the challenges effectively and efficiently. So thank you so much, Mr. Mayank, and hope to
Most
see you
welcome.
again soon. Now I
Definitely.
would request Ashwini sir to kindly propose vote of thanks. Ashwini sir, please.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Shikha ma'am. Am I audible?
Yeah,
Yes, you are.
perfect.
Okay. Okay. So, very good afternoon to one and all present over here, and faculty colleagues, and all my dear students watching this session on Zoom. By this, we have come to the end of this session organized under the banner of Training and Placement Cell of Prestige Institute of Management, Gwalior, and I feel extremely privileged to propose a vote of thanks. First of all, I would like to extend my gratitude to our very respected speaker for this session, Mr. Mayank Singh, Deputy Branch Manager at Hike Education, for taking his valuable time out from his very busy schedule and blessing the occasion with his presence. Thank you so much, Mayank
Thank you
sir.
so much.
Secondly, I would like to thank to our head of the department, Professor Abhay Dubey, for his continuous support and guidance during the whole journey of this 13 days online pre-placement workshop. Thank you so much, Abhay sir. Next, I would like to thank our training and placement officer, Professor Shikha Sharma, for moderating the session very effectively. Thank you so much, Shikha ma'am. Thank you to all for being a lovely audience. Mayank sir, Jyoti ma'am, we are looking forward to continue this professional
Definitely.
relationship with your organization in future
Definitely.
course of time also.
Definitely.
Now I would like to request Mayank sir to kindly allow us to wrap up the session.
Please. Thank you so much for your time. I definitely, we're gonna looking forward for you, and I'll take your leave. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Wish you the same. Yeah.